Guys, we're officially locked in a 2-2-2 13 market moves sequence. This is such a sequence. I'm telling you guys, we went and back tested this sequence all the way back to the day before the market crashes in 1987, right before the grand fucking collapse. I'm talking about the 20+% drop on a single trading session. I'm here to tell you that based off this sequence, now understand, this is how rare this 13 market moves sequence is. It is absolutely fucking unbelievable what just happened in the market that the majority of the market participants are still absolutely clueless about. Guys, this is the most phenomenal time to be making money on the short side, meaning making money when stock market drops, when stocks drop. I don't know why is it so difficult, okay, for people to understand that you make a lot more money when shit drops. Because when it comes to trading options, okay, you are always at an advantage when market drops, because when we're talking about options, okay, we're looking at a situation where a move has to take place within a certain amount of time. Options is a contract that gives you so much time for something to happen. So if you can target a narrow time frame within which a big move can take place, which majority of those moves are going to be on the downside, not on the upside. So by definition, if you understand simple mathematics, okay, you're always going to be better off trading put options opposed to call options. Okay, now there are moments and market conditions that will even take that advantage to a whole nother level, which is now, guys. I'm recording this on February 24th, 2025. And this is absolutely astounding how accurate 13 market move sequence is. And if you understood what this really means, you would understood that there are moments in the market that you can go in and put some big-ass fucking positions with insane fucking accuracy. And that's what 13 market moves formula allows you to do. Now, I'm going to elaborate because not everybody understands what 13 market moves is. Or maybe in just some kind of way, somebody's got an idea what it is, but they don't really understand what it is. This is the simplest way to trade the market, guys. There is something that the market is going to do every day, and instead of summarizing it with a bunch of words like they do on CNBC or some other channels, okay, we summarize it with one digit, one number. There's one number that is actually assigned to what the market is doing on the chart on any particular given day. And we are able to literally summarize what the market is capable of doing on each given day and narrow it down to just 13 variations. They're patterns. We're talking about 13 patterns that could evolve anytime the market is open during the regular trading session. We can nail these down to just 13 patterns. And if you start recording these patterns, you will start looking at a numerical sequence such as 7-11-3, 11-6, 11-2, 7-2-1-1-7. You're going to be able to observe certain sequences, okay, which are indeed a pattern that follows another pattern that follows another pattern. Now, on certain occasions, there is going to be a numerical sequence that will be produced as a result of you following and writing these numbers, which are basically what you're really doing when you're putting down a number, recording a sequence of moves with 13 market moves. You're really recording a pattern that occurred on that day. And if you keep doing this over an extended amount of time, there's going to be a day at which you're going to be looking at your sequence and you're going to be like, wow, There are times where a sequence, a 3-day sequence, is going to be able to point out with a high level of accuracy of what will happen the next fucking day in the market. Or at times, a certain sequence is going to be able to point out exactly by how many fucking days the market is going to drop or go higher. So for those of you that studied the 13 Market Moves course, you understand that these 13 patterns, if you understand how to trade them, and if you understand how to apply the weekly option strategies to go along with the 13 market moves, that's the holy grail of trading. I mean, that's how some traders are able to lock, 50x. I mean, my God, if you had a small fucking account last week, now you're sitting on a fucking such a fat ass account that most of the people never dreamed of in their life. And I'm talking that has happened over the course of last 3-4 trading days. So, guys, in order to produce these type of trades, you got to show up, though, every day. You can't just disappear in the market, okay? Just because a few trades don't go your way or whatever. You got to keep track of this shit every fucking day. And when this big time rare sequence happens, okay, you don't go with a couple of contracts. You go with as many fucking contracts as you can get your hands on, damn it. 2-2-2 sequence. With a flush of a 6 at the very end of the day. I mean, that is as deadly of a market sequence as back in 1987. Okay, we are about to witness one of the biggest colossal market drops the financial markets have ever seen. Because I'm telling you, this sequence is so fucking rare. If you understood it, okay, you would be logging to your fucking trading account right now to place a trade. You would be fucking, transferring money to your trading account to place a trade now. You would be on the phone with the 13 Market Moves coach right fucking now, saying, man, what do I buy? What strike? What fucking expiration? Dude, I'm ready to fucking make millions. If you understood what this sequence really means, you would be getting off your ass right now. But here's the beauty of it. 99.99999% are absolutely fucking clueless. I'm talking about 99.99999% of traders, they don't have a fucking clue. They still think the market's going to go higher. They're still buying the fucking dip. In the face of a October 1987 collapse. Can you believe that there are people buying fucking calls right now, today? I'm recording this on the 24th of February, 2025. There are actual people and Wall Street analysts that are telling you it is a good fucking idea to be buying calls when the market is about to face October 1987. In February and the first week of March 2025. This is going to go down in history as one of the most colossal short-term collapses in the financial markets that the world has ever known. You think COVID crash was bad? And I'm talking about there were circuit breakers. I'm talking about there were wild shit happening during COVID, which we accurately predicted on our channel. You can go back and watch every video. We didn't know that the crash was going to be caused by COVID. What we did know that the charts and the sequences were pointing to a colossal drop in the markets at the time where very few people has actually expected it. Now, our stance in the market as far as fundamentals concerned is very simple. It is stagflation 2025, slower economic growth. At the same time, inflation is spiraling out of control while the Federal Reserve is denying it, while market participants are denying it. while Wall Street is pretending like nothing is fucking wrong. And the market is going to continue higher forever and ever. Okay? You cannot wish for better market conditions as a short seller, someone that makes money when markets drop. You can't wish for a better fucking setup than this. This is as good as it fucking gets, y'all. But even understanding all of this stuff, in general terms, does not get you paid. Okay, it's understanding that and being able to pinpoint the daily entries and exits, or the weekly entries and exits, that get you paid as a trader. But being able to go into your positions, not with a couple of contracts, but with a couple of 1,000 contracts. Not just on a whim, but because you're really staring at a repetitive pattern, 222, which spells out 3 days in a row the fact that the market has absolutely fucking topped. And yet, we're only like a couple percentage points from all-time highs. And you get this rare sequence that's telling you shit is about to collapse the fuck out like you've never seen it in your life. And you get a chance to go trade that with a high level of confidence. Guess what, guys? That's any trader's dream. And unfortunately, those that lack the confidence and lack the understanding of what this sequence really means, they're going to make a couple of $1,000, and then they're going to watch how they missed a $2 million trade, a $20 million trade, and they are going to puke. And all of that life-changing money, okay, that generational wealth, okay, that's literally going to be created for some people over the course of next seven trading sessions is what I'm talking about, guys. This 222 sequence is so fucking deadly to the bulls and so highly profitable to the bears that if you just understood just a little bit more information about how the fuck to trade it, what to trade, okay, what level, what strike, that is it. I mean, that literally could save you of working your job or your business for 20, 30 years of your life. That's why I'm calling it such a life-changing sequence. You save an enormous amount of time within just a few days because you're able to generate returns that most of the people will not see in the financial markets through their entire lifetime times fucking 100. So this is how confident I am about this sequence. And this is how confident I am that this sequence will make a ton of money for a ton of people who are serious about understanding 13 market moves and what the fuck to do with it, okay? I'm going to announce this right now, guys. Okay? This is something wild. This is something fucking absolutely wild and brutal and crazy. Okay? I'm so confident that if you come and trade with 13 market moves, okay, before the market opens tomorrow, like meaning you got to be on the phone, get in touch with us right now. All right? I mean, you got to have a trading account set up correctly. Like, if you're going to call us and you just say, well, I got a cash account and like, I can't trade options on futures, you're automatically going to be disqualified. But you got the right type of account set up, and you would know what the right type of account is. You know, if you've traded, with us before, or if you've listened to every video but never traded with 13 Market Moves Coach. Guys, you know all the details. You should know all the details by now if you're serious about trading, how to set up your account for trading success. The first $50,000 that you will make with a 13 Market Moves Coach is a freebie. Okay? It's an absolute freebie. Okay? Free money, guys. Free. It's absolutely fucking free to you. So, get in touch to get the rest of the details. All right, and you can't be calling us, 2 weeks from now when the market already collapsed and it's trying to climb back up. Again, that's not, and clearly, some of you still don't understand what the fuck is a move to. So I'm going to describe it briefly before we're going to jump off and go back to trading here again after our session. A move two basically is a pattern where the market looks like it's going to go higher again in the beginning of the trading day. But by 10:30, surely by 10:52 a.m., that bullish looking move is going to reverse and it's going to go lower and it's going to finish lower by the end of the day. So in other words, the market's going to open up higher. It's going to look positive. It's going to open in the green, but it's going to finish the day in the red. That communicates to you that at that point on that day, at that level where the market was trading, there were a lot more sellers rather than buyers. And that by itself is a definition of a bear market. So stop listening to all them idiots, okay, who are telling you we're in the fucking bull market. Okay? They're fucking wrong. But when you get a confirmation of such action 3 days consecutively, okay, basically when the market tries to go higher, but it fails in a reverse and finishes in the red, it starts in the green, it finishes in the red. Starts in the green, finishes in the red. Starts in the green, finishes in the red. 3 fucking days in a row. And the remarkable point to acknowledge is when the market goes lower, the volume spikes. In other words, the sell volume outpaces the buy volume by a huge extent. So, and when that pattern repeats itself 3 fucking times in a row, I mean, there were moments where we nailed some big market downturns here at 13 market moves where we'd get a 2-2 something sequence or a 2-11-2 sequence. But like what I'm describing to you right now, I mean, we have never witnessed a sequence like this. So I would dare say that, guys, if you miss this next 7 trading day, holy shit. I mean, my God. Like, if you buy calls, you will get killed. Your account will get killed. Absolutely. There's like, so there to do something different. Okay, trade puts with the 13 market moves coach. Nail your entries. Nail your exits. Okay, understand that what happens after you get a 2-2-2 sequence is something that's going to resemble the day in October of the great 1987 crash. And I would say that after concluding this 2-2 sequence, all right, the next 5 to 7 days in the market could be a variation of move 3, move 11, okay, move 2 again, okay, to where, move 3 is basically the market gaps down, it goes lower and finishes lower for the day. On the following day, you can get another move 2 where it looks like the market's trying to pick back up and then it sells off again. So overall, these are red days in the market. These are highly bearish fucking days in the market. And, all you need to do is understand which components of the market are going to go lower by a much greater extent than the rest of the market. If you're able to trade those components and target your entries on bounces, your account will have such an incredible breakthrough. You're not even going to be able to believe your eyes. So, and most of the people, I'm telling you guys, most of the people that try to attempt to do this on their own, they never get the type of rewards that they get when the results when they trade with the 13 market moves coach, guys. So I know some traders made millions by just studying 13 market moves formula and applying it, but guys, they're traders that that have made beyond $10 million trading 13 market moves formula at this point. So, don't settle for less. Don't try to go catch a couple of $1,000 on your own. Get in touch with the 13 market moves coach. Okay? If you get in touch with us today, okay, not tomorrow, not next week, not 3 fucking weeks from now, Okay, the first 50,000 we help you make is absolutely yours. It's yours to keep. Like, it's fucking freebie. $50,000 free fucking freebie. So don't miss this unique opportunity. I don't know of any other YouTube channel that can, do this for you, but we're so confident in 13 market moves and in the current sequence that we want more people to be able to have a breakthrough in their trading account. So 222 sequence is likely to resolve in 11-3. Okay, we could actually go through after 222 sequence. We can easily go through 3-3, 11-3, 11-3. Guys, this stuff is absolutely remarkable. I mean, you're about to see markets move in such a wild way that people that have only been able to participate in the markets in the last 2-3 years, they're going to look at their screens and they simply just not going to believe what the fuck is happening. So don't be one of them. Don't be the guy that just happened to be in the middle of the most fake bull market the world has ever seen in the last 2-3 years. Okay? You're about to see the real fucking markets. The real fucking markets, guys. So, that is something to get excited about, because some of you absolutely will be going beyond 10 mil, 20 mil, 30 mil. Some of you are about to achieve something as a trader that you never thought was remotely fucking possible. And that is something to get excited about. That is something for me to get excited about, as, my goal as a 13 Market Moves founder, as a 13 Market Moves coach, as a trader who wishes other traders to do incredibly well. To me, that is a very exciting point, to be able to acknowledge this sequence at a moment such as today, and be able to prepare those that are serious about trading the markets over the next 7 trading days, to be able to communicate this message to you, how critical next 7 days are. So, in any case, guys, whether you decide to take advantage of the program or not, whether you decide to learn the 13 market moves or not, I wish everybody great success trading. Don't just trade it to make a couple of $1,000. No, please. That's not a reason to be in the fucking market. Dare to shoot for the moon. Dare to strive for greatness. Dare to be better than you have ever been in your lifetime before, with everything you do in your life, but so much more important in trading, if you're dedicating your life to trading. This is the moment, a very rare moment in the market history that will be remembered forever. And you should not miss this out. You should be a part of these grand, historic next 7 trading days. Go to 13mmtv.com, click the big orange button. Don't waste a moment, guys. The market is about to move in a way like you've never seen in your life. Take action today. Trade it with a 13 Market Moves coach. And make your dreams a reality. All the dreams you've had about making millions in trading, all the reasons why you got into trading years ago, go back to that moment and understand that this is your real fucking chance to make all of those things real. It's fucking phenomenal what's happening right now, guys. I just want you to be a part of it. Let's fucking roll.